This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Okay, you've successfully installed MigrateMe 4. You've run your first test migration, and while you've been working in the test migration area for Joomla 4, you realize, oh man, there's some things that I wish I could go back. I should go back and change in Joomla 3 and run this test again to get me further to the end goal, which will, of course, is going live. Well, you can do that as many times as you want with MigrateMe 4, starting over, and it's super easy. So to do that, just go back to your Joomla 3 live site. If you're using the same browser, you'll probably have to log in again. Log in, and all you have to do is go to Components, MigrateMe 4, and you can upgrade again. All of your previous efforts in the test migration will be wiped out, and this will be a fresh start over. Of course, do it after you make the changes that you want to make inside of Joomla 3, and you can do that migration as many times as you want. Start over and over and over again as you find things that maybe you missed that you have to go back and fix. And once that migration is complete, you can go refresh, and you're right back to a blank Joomla 4 migration for you to start over, and it'll go better each time you do it until you are successful. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.